Bathrooms don't have to be large to feel modern and convenient. The DeerValley Smart Bidet Toilet is designed to fit into compact spaces while bringing comfort and technology into everyday routines. It starts with simple convenience. The automatic lid opens as you approach, and the foot kick flush makes it easy to keep things completely hands-free. There's also a manual side knob, so every function is totally covered. The heated seat adds comfort right away with adjustable settings to keep the temperature just right. Dual nozzles provide personalized wash options, including front and rear cleaning, along with a warm air dryer, and with massage modes that make each use feel refreshing. It even has hot and cold massage cleaning to provide a gentle yet effective experience. After each use, the nozzles clean themselves automatically. UV sterilization and a built-in deodorizer work quietly in the background, keeping the toilet fresh without extra effort and the highest level of hygiene. Installing the DeerValley Smart Toilet is straightforward with the included instructions. At a high-level overview, the process starts with removing the old toilet and shutting off the water supply. The new toilet is then positioned and secured in place with the mounting hardware. After that, the water line is connected and tightened, and the toilet is plugged into a nearby power outlet. Once it's tested for leaks and power, it's ready to use. In daily life, the smart toilet adapts easily. Controls are simple and responsive. The operation is super quiet and every feature works seamlessly. Even in a busy morning routine, it saves time and adds comfort without taking up extra space. It also has a sensor-activated nightlight, adding convenience and safety. The DeerValley Smart Bidet Toilet brings convenience, hygiene, and modern design together in a way that fits any bathroom. It's proof that even in small spaces, luxury and practicality can go hand in hand.